Hello everyone, myself Likita. I am a full stack Java trainer at Harsha Trainings. Today I am going to explain about the static keyword. Static can be declared before a variable, method and a block, etc. Now if you declare any variable as a static, only one instance is created. That means, see here I will explain you with an example. There is a class called count is declared to 0 and there is a call method which is incrementing count every time. When as soon as you create object, the call method is invoked. Since this is not static, every time a new instance is created, the output will be always 1, 1. But if you make this as a static int count, only once instance is created, so every time you call this method, it will be keep on incrementing. That is the advantage of creating a variable static. And you can also make a method as static. We already wrote public static void main. If you declare a method as a static, it is directly called by the class name. We need not create any object. For more informative videos on Java, please do like, share, subscribe Harsha Trainings.